Scientists need to accurately measure the mass of substances for experiments. The images below show three instruments used for this purpose. What are they called?
Scientists need to accurately measure the mass of substances for experiments. Let's take a look at three instruments used for this purpose. This is an electronic balance. It's a digital scale that gives you a quick and precise reading of an object's mass. You simply place the object on the pan, and the mass appears on the display. This is a double beam balance. It has two pans and uses weights that slide along the beams to determine the mass of an object. It's a classic tool that demonstrates the principle of balancing masses. This is a triple beam balance. Similar to the double beam balance, it uses sliding weights to measure mass, but it has three beams for greater precision. It's commonly used in labs to measure the mass of smaller objects. So there you have it. Three instruments used to measure mass: the electronic balance, the double beam balance, and the triple beam balance. Each has its own level of precision and method for determining mass, making them valuable tools in scientific investigations.